Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the color palette on your new website. To change your site's colors, go to Appearance, Settings, and click on White Label. Scroll down to the color palette section and click on Global Colors. You will need to know the hex codes of the colors you want to add, as you need to copy and paste them into these fields. It's a good idea to use colors from your organization's brand guide, with 2 to 3 colors being recommended. Depending on your organization's brand colors and any images used on your website, you might need to spend some time playing around with which colors work best in different locations of your site. Remember that contrasting colors are recommended for readability and clarity, while lighter and brighter colors work well for accents. You don't need to select a color for every single option in this list, but here are some basics to cover. For the text, this is the color of the body text of your website. It's a good idea to pick a color that will contrast well with the background for readability. In this example, we use dark gray, as the background is white. Background. At default, this is set to white. Background light. This is a light color for accent backgrounds. We use light gray, which you can see in this example. Background dark. This is a darker color for backgrounds. We use dark blue in this example, which appears in the footer. Primary. This is the primary color of your brand. If one of your brand colors is darker than the other, it's a good idea to use the darker one here. As you can see in this example, it will be used for icons and buttons. Secondary. This is a brand color that is used to accent. You can use your lighter brand color here. In this example, we used yellow, and you can see it when we hover over a button. Accent, highlight, and border. We have only used 2 colors in this example, navy and yellow, so we decided to use the lighter color, yellow, to highlight boxes on our site, as you can see here. Once you have finished adding your hex code colors, remember to save your changes before you finish by clicking the Save Configuration button down the bottom. To view your new colors in use, navigate back to your website's homepage. To make changes, repeat the process of updating the hex codes. That's a brief overview of how to update your website's color palette. I'll see you in the next video.